Every organization generates vast amounts of data, but without the right systems in place, its true value often goes untapped. At Impressico, we specialize in transforming raw data into actionable insights. Our data engineering services provide the clarity business leaders need to make faster, smarter, and more confident decisions. Ask yourself, what could your business achieve if every decision was backed by precise, real-time insights? Data Pipelines, ETL or ELT, supports both real-time and batch processing to move and transform data efficiently. Data Lakes, centralized repository that consolidates diverse data sources into a unified, enterprise-wide source of truth. Data Warehouses, designed for constructing dimensional models to enable robust business intelligence and reporting. For the CFO, that means accurate forecasting and cost control. For the CEO, it's about identifying growth opportunities earlier. For the CTO, it ensures scalable, secure, future-ready infrastructure. With our business intelligence and visualization services, decision-making becomes intuitive. Complex information is presented through interactive dashboards, ensuring stakeholders at every level can engage with insights. Impressico delivers more than data solutions. We deliver the foundation for strategic growth. With us, you gain the confidence to lead with insight, act with precision, and stay ahead of the competition. Impressico. Data, decisions, growth.